level line has been snapped on the wall as a reference around the entire building. All starting elevations will be taken from this line. Find the lowest point of the structure from this line and use it as a starting point. Keep in mind that the recommended clearance above soil is 4 inches and 2 inches above concrete surfaces. The starter strip is part of the Versetta's rain screen system. It has weep holes in the bottom. Therefore, installing a weather barrier behind the starter is good practice to protect the building. This strip of 15-pound felt will protect the structure behind the starter and provide a clear marking surface for a snap line. Place the starter at the desired elevation of the Versetta Stone. Measure down from the reference line to the top of the starter. That measurement will be used to establish the starter elevation around the entire building. On a large building, it is useful to make a story pole and transfer these marks for consistent results. Snapping a level chalk line will help align the starter. Starting level is the key to a smooth installation. Cut your starter to length. Install level and a minimum of 1/4 inch below the sheathing line. Your fasteners can be corrosion-resistant galvanized roofing nails or Versetta Stone fastening screws. Fasteners on the starter strip should be placed 8 to 10 inches apart and should not be over tight. When the first row of weather barrier is installed, it's dropped into the starter strip and it sits just inside the channel for the Versetta Stone. Be careful not to block the weep holes. Also, check with local code because many building codes require a minimum of 2 layers of weather-resistant barrier behind masonry veneers. The weather barrier should be installed tight to the corner, and any seams should be overlapped a minimum of 6 inches. Overlap your outside corners. Since the Versetta Stone creates a rain screen, it is important to make sure that the weather-resistant barrier is correctly lapped and installed.